Welcome to Class 2. Absent means not present. Example: he is absent today. Absorb means to soak up or take in. Example: the towel absorbs water. Abstract means not concrete, only an idea. Example: love is an abstract idea. Abuse means wrong or cruel use. Example: don't abuse animals. Accent means way of speaking words. Example: she has a French accent. Accept means to agree. Example: I accept the offer. Access means entry and approach. Example: he has access to the library. Accident means an unexpected bad event. Example: he had a car accident. Absurd means very silly or foolish. Example: his idea is absurd.